Hey guys, so I said that I was going to show you the Pip Box beauty subscription box that I got. This is the December box, so you can't get this now, but the next one is a Veganuary box, so you can subscribe to get that. And the reason why I like Pip Box, I have actually had their boxes before, is because Pip Box is the first beauty subscription box for vegan and cruelty-free products only. So everything you get in here is cruelty-free, which I love. Let's see what we got in the December box. Comes with the Christmas Eve Essentials Guide, and you have kind of some like descriptions here in terms of what you get in the box. First of all, they've got this product, which is by Jogobi, I think, if I've said that right. And this is a peel-off mask. It's the unique and effective original black peel mask. I remember when this was like trending everywhere. The trick to these masks is to put a thick layer on your face. Do not put a thin layer on. Oh my god, like luckily now I laser my face, so I literally don't really have any like peach fuzz. But if you do tend to have like a hairy face and you put this on, then good luck. Next we've got my favorite, obviously you've seen me post about this a lot, the Naughty hair care brand. This is First Aid. I use this more or less every day. Well, to be fair, I wash my hair every like 2 to 3 days, less now that we're, you know, in lockdown and stuff. But First Aid is basically a detangling spray. It doesn't make my hair oily because my hair is oily enough. Trust me, my roots are really oily. So this basically helps to take out any tangles that I've got in the bottoms of my hair. I used to have blonde hair. There is some bleach still at the ends, and that's where it gets knotted. So First Aid is really, really good to help detangle and just nourish. Then we've got, oh, okay, so this is by Betty Hoola, and it's the antibacterial hand moisturizer. This is a hand moisturizer that is also antibacterial. That's actually really clever. I love that. And the flavor is rum and blackcurrant. Let's see what rum in a hand cream smells like. Ooh, trust me to like the smell of alcohol. Yeah, I like that. We've got a cute little sachet here. So this is white tea balancing cream. Oh, this is actually, I think this is just a bonus. This is by the brand that does the black peel mask. Let's see what else we've got. Yeah, so this is like the discount cards that come in the beauty box. This one is for Naughty. It's for 25% off, which is great. I'll be using that. We've got a lipstick, Laritzi Cosmetics. It's a velvet liquid lipstick and it's called Swoon. See what the colour's like. Nice red colour. Perfect for Christmas, actually. I mean, it is a Christmas box, so yes, I am so glad I've got this. This is by Vitamasks, if I've said that right. And it's a Crystal Glow Hydrogel Eye Mask, all-in-one rescue. Made with crystal extracts, antioxidants, multi-peptides and multivitamins. I love eye masks. I'm going to be introducing them into my like kit for brides. I love using eye masks instead of using like the whole face sheet masks because I do find them really uncomfortable. Depuffing, brightening and repair, infused with anti-pollution and anti-blue light protection. Oh my god, that's so important. Like, I'm constantly scrolling through my phone. I'm sure all of us are more nowadays, and the blue light that is coming from our laptops and from our phones is so bad for our skin. So I like that this helps to protect against that. So yeah, all in all, really good beauty box. There's definitely like a good range of things in this box, like for skincare, makeup, for hair. So yeah, give them a follow and subscribe if you're looking for more cruelty-free beauty products.